Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Forensics Assignment 1, that is USB Access Control Investigation using Autopsy. In this we will be doing 4 tasks. The first one is preparation, that is setting up Autopsy toolkit and also case creation. And next, the second task is volume metadata verification. And then we have the third task, that is file system exploration and timestamp analysis. And next, fourth task that we have to do is policy comparison and violation analysis. Let's get started with the first task, that is preparation of Autopsy toolkit and case creation. So open Autopsy as administrator. And then we need to select new case and have to name the case as data linkage investigation. And then please make sure to enter your last name and followed by the assignment number, that is we are doing assignment 1. So this is how your case name should be so that we can verify your assignment after submission. And then just click next. Please make sure to enter your name in the field so that we can verify your assignment, and then just create the case. Now the case has been created. We need to add data source. These are the steps for adding the data source. First one is the host selection. We will be generating new host name based on data source name. So just click next. And next we need to select the data source type. We will be using disk image or VM file, that is an encase image. We will be using an encase image which falls under disk image or VM file category. So please click next, and then you need to select the file. So please go to the folder where you have downloaded your file and just select the file and click open. And when coming to the time zone setting, we need to select the time zone, that is GMT -5. That is America/New York. Please select that and then click on next. And please make sure to select all these ingestion modules, that is a recent activity, hash lookup, file type identification, extension mismatch detector, embedded file extractor, picture analyzer, keyword search, email parser, encryption detection, interesting file identifier, central repository, photorec carver. And next we have virtual machine extractor and data source integrity. Please make sure to select all these ingestion modules, and next we will be click and just click next, and the ingestion process just started. And here ingestion process is nothing but analyzing all the files. So the Autopsy toolkit will be analyzing each and every file. You can see the progress here. You can see the progress of individual module here. It might take roughly around 5 to 10 minutes based on your system configuration. So wait, and also you can pause your video while recording your assignment so that the length of the video doesn't exceed the preferred length of 10 to 15 minutes. So now the ingestion process is done. Now let us move to our second task, that is volume metadata verification. So before starting second task, please make sure to browse through every function that you have and then every file that is there in the Autopsy so that you get familiar with the environment. And once you have done that, next we have volume metadata verification. that is we need to go to the image, our image CFREDS 2015 data leakage rm1.eo1 file, and then we need to look out for these properties. So what we have to do is just go to data source and then to the image and just right click on the image and you can see the properties. So what I want you to do for your assignment is just go to properties of the image and also to the properties of volume 1 and volume 2 and compare everything. Just see and try to find these all properties. And next, when coming to our task 3, that is file system exploration and timestamp analysis, what we need to do is go to file views and explore all the files. I want you all to explore all the files that are available and then look out for something like this, that is look out for files named such as a secret project or something that's suspicious, and I want you to just see the timestamps, that is like the date and time when that's created. And now I want you to compare it with the access window of our case study, that is from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So that is when the person was supposed to use the system resources or access the files. So now access all the files or we see all the files, and there is one file that is viewed maybe outside of the window. Name that file. You can just click on that file and see the properties. That will be our task 3. And next we have 4th task, that is policy comparison and violation analysis. So after seeing everything, that is the volume metadata verification, like seeing all the properties, all these properties, and also after analyzing the timestamps. So what violations did you find? That will be one question. Is it access outside authorized time, or we can call it a time window violation, or access by unauthorized users? Which one of the violation did you notice? And also we have one more question, that is did you find any violations like time window violations, and name the file. For suppose there are different files in the, let me show it here. In the file view, there might be, like you can see there are different files in it. So did you find any file which is violating the time window violation? Make sure to name the file if any violations took place. So that's all about this assignment, that is assignment 1. Thank you.